Hoy, hoy, hoy! It's your boy, Jackoy, and Happy New Year, everyone! Today is December 31. I'm still eating. Look, may nagkikirayon. Ayan. Pakita mo lang ganyan. Yan. Kamay. Yan. Yep. So, Trina nagsimula na siya sa kanyang English. So, Trina is starting to fill out some drawings on her planner because every start of the year we are doing a lot of us or most of the people right now are looking into the best planner that they can get. So right now we have a new planner that we just purchased online, and I think it's kind of famous. This is my first year and first time to use this. We got the, what's this, babe? Christian planner. So we're gonna review it later. So ako na lang magre-review. I'll just review it later because we need to start our faith goals for the year. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye. Hey, everyone. It's your boy Jackoy, and we welcome again to our Values on the Go YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you're coming back, thank you very much. Today, like what I've told you yesterday, we are going to review one of the planners or organizers that we can write on. Every year I'm looking for an organizer or a planner that we have to really dig into, because for me, I am very choosy when in terms of writing down my thoughts, my feelings, and my reflection during the day, and organizing basically my day and my whole week and my whole month. So I saw this post in Instagram, and then I didn't know that people are raving about it already. So we tried this planner. It's called the Christian Planner, and today we're going to review it. Christian Planner 2021. There. Yeah. Christian Planner 2021. So let's see what's inside. I got the premium leather black one. So we had I'm here in Vietnam right now. They don't deliver, but then if you want to have one, we discovered a way how to deliver it to us. Okay, from the US. Christian Planner is a US brand, so we're gonna deliver it here in Vietnam. So okay, so do you wanna start reviewing it? Let's go. Okay, let's start. So again, I said I got the premium leather Christian Planner for 2021. We're going to start reviewing it right now. Guys, it comes with the yellow box. It has a plastic, but obviously I removed it already. So let's start. There. I got the black one. It's a premium leather. So there. 2021. It's really like a bit pricey because we got this one not during the Black Friday sale nor the Christmas sale. It's on a regular price, so I think it's around $50 if I'm not mistaken. If you want to know more about their prices, you can just visit their website, which is christianplanner.com. Let's start. Okay, these are my things I wrote down. Oh. So I haven't written down my name, Christian Planner. So there. It says welcome. Welcome to the Christian Planner family. Your Christian Planner helps you accomplish your goals, keeping Christ at the center. Think of it as your secondary spiritual coach. I pray that this tool will help you. It's helped thousands of Christians focus on matters most our faith. Wow. How to use. This is very important. How to use. Design your vision board. There's a vision board I'm going to be showing you later. Then fill out the healthy habit goals chart. Every week you have dive into the weekly devotional. So I think this segment is focused or dedicated for the Sunday services sermon. Then every day write down your daily appointments task. It's like an ordinary planner. There's nothing fancy about it. Then daily habit tracker. I'll show you this one. And then every month there are big monthly events and goals that you need to focus on. So we have the 2021 overview, so that you can just encircle or highlight those dates that you need to encircle. Then at the bottom you have the holidays. Then emphasis on the spiritual. There are spiritual challenges here. There are seasons that explain. These are the seasons that are very important for a Christian person like you and me. Advent, Christmas, and then it explains here. Very nice. Spiritual challenge. Let's look for one. Learn to manifest the light of Christ through the witness of life and deeds. Time to embrace the teaching of the church and to go deeper to the truths of God's saving events in history. Nice. And then this is the vision board that at the beginning they're talking about. It says, can cut and paste photos, write words, quotes, prayers, draw pictures, etc. This is your vision. I haven't started it yet because I want to make it special. I want to make time for it. So there. Then we have the bucket list. Bucket list. Okay, for 2021, anything that you want to accomplish. 2021, next 5 years, and a lifetime. Example, my healthy habit goals. Examples, daily. Make my bed, call text family, daily prayer, give thanks weekly. Volunteer at soup kitchen monthly, run 5K, quarterly mission trip. So there, you're just gonna write it down and then across is at the center, so it can be, this will be at the center of everyday planning or monthly planning. These are the goals that you write down, me and Trina, that you want to write down for 2021. Me and Trina, we started our faith goals this year, and I'm gonna write it down on this section. Next, we start with January. These are the monthly goals section, top 3, but it goes all the way to a lot of lists, and then the bottom there's reflection. What blessing came into mind to life last month, and what accomplishment I'm proud of. You can write it down. It's really good because it helps you remember all the things amidst all the busyness and a lot of schedule that you're gonna write down. So basically you write down everything. It's like an overview of January 2021. There's a call to action. How can I demonstrate love for God and others this month? Write it down here. So I think we live by the rule that is out of sight, out of mind. It's better to really write it down, so whenever you see it, you are going to remember it, and the more you remember it, the more you're going to do it. So keeping Christ as the center of your planning, from every overview of page there is a Bible verse like that. Then monthly finance tracker. So this one, you can write it down here so you can track your finances. Then here is where my creativity will be challenged. You can color this, color, doodle, whatever. Yeah. And then this is the section where it is, and we have a guest. Hello. This is the section where you write your weekend devotional.
What does it have?
Yeah, this is something that for
It's something
for
else.
the sermon of the pastor. You can write
What
down here.
is this
Also
one?
here. It says December.
December.
Yeah.
This one.
So here, to start, you can write down the goal, top 3 weekly goals here. So the one that we had a while ago is the overview of the month, and this one is the weekly, where you can write down everything, okay, that you want to accomplish weekly, or you can just write down your quiet time here, your reflection, everything here. And then you have the daily habit tracker. This one I was trying to figure out what is it all about, but then I thought of like, okay, this one is reading a book, this one is exercising, this one is calling my parents. So every day you can just check it, check, and it is located here. So you can, the overview is here, and then more detailed tracker is here. Okay, still has a verse also. Next, weekend devotional, same thing. And then it just goes on and on and on. January, there's a weekend, and then we go devotional, then go March, overview of the whole of March. Then this is the weekly, and then we have the daily tracker, and then this is Lily drinking her Milo. Say hi, Lily.
Hi.
What are you drinking? What's that?
Milo.
Milo. Are you having fun? So there. I think there. Oh, you can doodle from like 1 month. Every month there's a doodle thing that your creativity will be challenged. So it's kind of heavy for you to bring every day, but it's totally fine. If you want to keep a planner at the same time with the Evo notebook, you can. This one will work. Help. Here. Thanks. Okay, for the Christian planner, I think it's this big. There. So, honest review. I cannot give anything right now because it's too early. We're just starting, but I'm really excited to use this planner. I hope I can use it because it's not really, it's kind of expensive. So I think, excuse me, I think we can, I hope that I can maximize this one. But we had this running joke that it's a lot of work to do because
It's like an octopus.
yeah, a lot of work to do because you have to fill out every day, you have to think, you have to excuse me, you have a daily tracker, you have a weekly tracker, and then there's a monthly tracker that you need to fill out every day. It's an added daily work. But I think I wouldn't mind because for as long as that you're on track with your spiritual journey, your everyday stuff, and your everyday, and then your weekly and monthly goal, I wouldn't mind. It's still going to be an extra push, but an extra push will always gain you another muscle that you need to do, another discipline that you need to master. So we know that discipline produces a good result and a good fruit for every one of us. So there, guys. So my encouragement for you is, whether a Christian planner or not, it just so happened that I have a Christian planner, but my encouragement for you is that you keep on journaling, keep on writing those things, keep remembering all the good stuff that the Lord has done and given to you every day, so you won't be like really arrogant or entitled. You always have a grateful heart each and every day. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog about Christian planners. So I hope you buy. This is not sponsored, but I hope if you want to buy, then go buy. They're on sale right now, I think. But then a normal planner will do. I think that will be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Yeah, bye.